Hello, everybody. This is Vicki Schamel from Keller Williams, Southern Tier and Finger Lakes. And today's conversation, I'd like to talk to home sellers. We're heading into March in the spring season. And if you're thinking about putting your home on the market, here's one thing you may also want to think about. I want you to think about some of the freshening up your homes may need in order to come on the market. We call it return on investment. So I have a graph that I'm going to put into our video, and you'll be surprised at some of the things where you'll get higher return on investment. So this graph will help you plan items for what you need to do for your homes. And it's a great time. March is a great time in order to start that process. Sometimes it'll take you a week. Sometimes it might take you a month to make these repairs. But what I also like to do is I like to offer my services to come into your home and help you make a list on doing this, don't do that. So we don't want you to spend money that you can't get back. So look at this list. Go through your home and see if there's any items on it that you've been wanting to do in order to get your home on the market. Return on investment is really great. If you're spending $1, we want to make sure you get that dollar back or more. So I love doing it. So if you'd like to reach out to me, you can reach me by phone or you can reach me by email. And also, I just moved my office to 21 East Market Street. It's a beautiful office. So if you'd like to stop by in the city of Corning, that would be great. I'm available to you. Until the next time, this is Vicki Schamel from Keller Williams, Southern Tier and Finger Lakes, and wishing you all a great day.